Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back with another video. Today I got some police related stuff for you guys. So we're gonna open those now. So our first thing is a pair of set end handcuffs. And they are British. Okay, so I'm gonna do something for you guys in a minute. I'm gonna pick you up. So this is my dummy I made. You can see his hand. So our first set of handcuffs, it comes with a lock. And these handcuffs are different because they got these keys. They're very similar and they're weird. Now exactly what are they called? Well, they're not called handcuffs, they're called phone cuffs. You know what you do is you open these like that and they unfold. Now with this, you can unlock that back. So this is to this. It's locked. So this is the new and improved phone cuffs with the wrench cuff. And what I have available with that is the belt. So you guys probably already know that. I'm not going to pin it on today. I just figured on doing my job. So I don't have a badge because I'm on duty. So those are going to be moved out of the way for the second pair. And our next pair are like actually regular police handcuffs. So, and they are wrapped. They're Sawltarie, so they're wrapped. Even the keys are wrapped. These are Sawltarie handcuff keys. And the ones I have here are all Sawltarie handcuffs. All wrapped in foil like it always is. Now these have been wrapped in 2 layers of wrap. So these are very Sawltarie, you can call me that. These are Sawltarie. And each handcuffs have keys with handcuffs. So these are Sawltarie ones, phone ones, not regular. So I'm gonna get my belt. I'm gonna put these on my belt real quick. So as you guys can see, so this is the belt. Now the Sawltarie cuffs, we're going to go back here. These keys, like this is a Sawltarie duty belt. This ain't like what you think. So now what I'm going to do is show you tips and tricks to go with this thing here. It's basically normal. The keys in this, okay. Keys will lock on the double lock system. Now, what it allows you to do, I'll show you. So you basically, your cuff thing's open. You're locking a pair of handcuffs in there, and you double lock it. It's not open. Well, the keys to this opens this. And these also go with the handcuffs I just showed you. But this Sawltarie duty belt is a real thing, and it is a little heavy. This is a prison restraint. I don't have anything to go with that prison restraint, but I can show you how to lock a pair of handcuffs on a person. Now, the thing is I have this one prison restraint right here. Once again, it's all Sawltarie. So this is all maximum. I mean, it's strong and it can't break. And I also have something weird. It's a reg. So basically, alright. So, there I got it. So I open these up. And as I open them, I fold them. Like so. They're really hard to get out of without the keys, but you can try that exactly if you want to. So how I'm doing this, as I'm taking him, okay, as I'm going to take his one hand and lock it in there with the same, so the same reg of handcuffs I have that go with this. It's, ooh, it smells weird. The same reg that goes with the handcuffs. This key here goes with the handcuffs. So I'm going to unlock the handcuffs. See, these are like basically foreign related, so I had to shut them and lock them back. Same thing here. There you go. It's locked. Can't come undone at all anymore. Now, Sawltarie handcuffs are going to be different. And do you want me to tell you why they're going to be different? heavier and they're black. I'm going to show you them. These are what Sawltarie handcuffs look like. They got bigger space. The keyholes are on the same thing, but except you pit on one wrist. You don't do what you do with hinged. So you can't do this, and you can do this. So I'm going to unlock the handcuffs. Now these are real handcuffs. I'm just saying, they're real. It's got 2 chains. Now, how to fit the person inside these? Well, you want to do it gently. Open one cuff at a time. And what you want to do is just do your piece. And you can double lock it. That's fine with me. So, same thing with the hand. Okay. Basically the same thing. Like when you're arresting your person, you put him in handcuffs behind his back. That's not fun. When I got arrested, it sucked. You can unlock them with the same keys. Open one cuff at a time. Double lock it back. You want to make sure they look the same as when you put them in locks. Now this one, it don't look the same at all. They don't have to look the same. Put one more lock on it. You could put prison restraints in these. Like I said, they're Sawltarie. They can also fit on me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this belt thing off. Place it on the ground. Unlock the handcuffs again. Now, these are hard and prevented for the prisoner to escape out of the handcuffs. And there is no way that you can break these off. Like, literally. No way. There's no way. So, like I said, you can only squeeze them this tight right here. Depends on what side you put the handcuffs on and stuff. Depends on which ones you use. Now our next pair of handcuffs that are going to come in are really, really weird. They're this big. They can still hold prison restraints. Sawltarie handcuffs are the best handcuffs out there you'd ever want. They're black. Keyholes right here, double lock holes right here. Now, how I do this. Like I said, open one cuff at a time and get the hands in the handcuffs. Double lock it. This is the only way they're gonna go. The only way you're gonna stay in prison is this right here. Don't matter how you're gonna go. You'll stay in that same direction that you had. Apparently, the last one I had, really broke. Now these ones are like really hard to escape out of because they're short, plus you can't escape out of them that much. Am I right? Exactly. That's what I thought. I mean, you can clever them like that and break out of them. Then you know you're really free. These ones, you ain't going nowhere out of these ones. You can only squeeze them as tight as you can. You can only squeeze them one direction, and that's it. You can't squeeze. These ones you can't squeeze tighter. That's the good part. But you still can't get out of them, because basically they're programmed to be bulletproof. These are the kind of handcuffs that cops would normally be using. Like if you're a bounty hunter, these are good for you to be using, actually. Because the black ones will do better than regular set of handcuffs. Sawltarie ones are actually better because you could squeeze them tighter. No problem. No problem at all with that. So basically, by the way, pray because my friend's still in prison from last week. He was doing something he wasn't supposed to be doing, and he got arrested for it, so. Really not my problem, is it? No. So by the way, I'm still stuck in handcuffs and I still can't get out of them. Why? I'm on a house arrest. Just joking. Basically, I have a parole officer and he said if I screw up again, I'm going to go to jail. I don't want to go to jail. So I said I have to stay in these. Yeah, I can't break out of these. No matter what you do, you can't break out of them. They're real police handcuffs and they're black. You just can't break out of them. Codes don't turn that way. You gotta do that to release them. So basically when I work, it doesn't matter. I work on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Today I don't work at all because of storms in the area and they're bad. But I do use a set of handcuffs that looks just like this. I don't know what's... Now that I coded these, I'm going to be good. So. Yes. Good. 2 sets of keys and 2 sets of handcuffs. I'm sorry, that's the cool thing. Yeah, no matter what, these are 2 sets. Do not use these for your door. I'd recommend you not do that. Oh, I forgot to code these. That's a weird look. What the heck? I'm gonna lock the door. Actually, I'm gonna lie. I can lock the window. No, but you can use a key to lock it. These can be used for anything, actually. It's locked. The window's locked. That's, I don't know. Yeah, it's locked. You locked your door. I deadbolt it.